Good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Garg. I am qualified social auditor, and today in this session I will be talking about the syllabus and the contents of the social auditor exam. See, the name which has been given to it by NISM is SACE, Social Auditor Certification Exam. And in this SAE, this has been renamed as 23rd series. Means if you will go on NISM portal, National Institute of Securities Market, you have to identify the 23rd series. And in 23rd series, you will find SACE, Social Auditor Certification Exam. But before you submit your credentials, the syllabus is not known to you. But this syllabus today I am going to tell you. See, the name of the exam is Social Auditor. Naturally, the amendments which have been carried out by the SEBI, all those amendments are part of the syllabus. Similarly, social auditor related social audit standard framework have been defined by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. That is also part of the syllabus. Then till now India has seen social impact assessment. So there are two chapters related to social impact assessment and social impact assessment case studies. Then the regulations. What regulations? Regulations of the SEBI, the key regulations of the SEBI and the stock exchange mechanism. These are the two chapters for this. And in addition to that, now let me also talk about the general chapters. Taxation. Taxation is one of the chapter and this carries the weightage of the 4 marks. Similarly, there is one another general chapter. That general chapter is social sector in India and Indian financial market. General subject, but this subject carries the weightage. As far as exam content is there, exam content which will be provided by NISM is in descriptive, about 230 pages. But exam will be multiple choice questions and 100 marks multiple choice questions, and you have to score 60 marks to pass. The syllabus is social audit centric syllabus, and in this syllabus the maximum weightage has been given to the social audit framework and social auditor and all the regulations of the SEBI which are related to social sector exchange. Anyway, stay connected, and if you find that yes, this syllabus suits you, enroll yourself as a student with NISM, not with us, but with NISM. NISM conduct this exam. NISM is institute which is promoted by Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI.